So let's do a summary. So we all know that we are in this 11-point range wave, which is bullish. However, we know that 14 is stronger than the bullish wave, temporarily, right? And that's the reason the price hasn't gone down all the way. All right, so we're gonna pay attention to '06 because that's where the smart money wants to take the price. To '06 is where the smart money knows that it's gonna take all the stops of all the weak bulls, right? This is a bullish wave. We took a short 14 because we've known for half an hour that 14 is a stronger. Alrighty, but in a bullish wave, what do you think the odds are that it's gonna take it eventually, and then clean break of that 14, we expect a continuation all the way to 30. So from 14 to 30, that's 16 points that we're gonna be after. Okay, all right, 16 points. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So our job now is to figure out, 16 points from 14 to 30. That's beautiful, right? But how is he gonna get there? Because remember, our job is not only to know the future. What does that mean? To know where the price is gonna be in the future, but how it's gonna get there so that we can scale out and lock profit. So, believe it's going to 30. Let's see. We don't know yet if 30 is target 1, 2, or 3. We don't know that yet. All right. But we know that above 14, we're going to do everything in our power to ride it to 30. Right? That we know. Okay. All right. So we took a shot 14 short, made 4 points. Price is taking 14. We know that '06 it's a bear's capitulation, and then we're gonna have to put up with this action right here around 14. 14 is a key level, so we need to know that 14 is the price below 14. Yes, it is. Who's in control? The bears. All right. So the 14 short, right, is still working. No, CAPI, I'm not going. I'm going with I'm going with the wave, which is in bullish control. All right. Okay. You know that below 14, it is the bears the ones in control, right? It's called massive chop. All right. All right then. So as we continue. As the price continue dancing around here, okay, what's the current? Who's in control right now? The bears, 14. It's not complicated. All right. And then what's going to happen at '06? Bounce and be looking all the way to go to 30. All right. Until further notice. Okay. Oh, really? You sure, man? What do you mean I'm not sure? I go with the odds, right? With the future. All right. Oh, is it? But if the price is below 14, the bears are in control. Short term, that could turn into a medium term, and it could turn into a long term. All right.
Yeah, but you have a robot.
So I'm gonna say that again. So our job now is we know that below 14, we do not want to be long. That trip to 30 in the back burner. It's still there, but this is what the open does. That's why a lot of traders don't trade the open. How many times I've said that a lot of traders don't trade the open because of this mistake a million times?
All day.
All right, so So our job now is to see, well, how strong is this short-term bearish momentum, right? Is it gonna take '06, or is '06 strong enough to have the price bounce and then, of course, give us some 10-point leaping up and down, etc., etc. All right. But one thing we do know is this: below 14, we do not want to be long, right? We went short here, and then we went long here. Price went all the way to 16. It broke 14. We don't want to be long anymore. On the contrary, we want to be short, right? 14. Okay, there we go. All right. And if it goes right back up, we're going to have to do the same thing. See, nobody knows the importance of 14. We are the only ones in the world that knows what to do exactly off of 14. All right? Oh my God, but changing hats, man, I have to take a small loss. If you want to trade the open, some opened, you're going to have to put up with this. Well, that's all there is to it. All right, so this is important. All right? So, ladies and gentlemen, 14 is now a 1-point range. 14, 15. All right? The bears really took control of the channel. We are right now in a channel. We all know that we are in a 1608 channel, right? All right. Well, the bears took control again, and it is now 15. Okay. Oh, gee, 15 is the mid-range of 14 and 16, right? So, so that resistance right there is pretty strong. What does that tell us? Well, that tells us that we think the price is not going to easily break it. Okay? All right. Exactly. We know all of this, right? Okay. So price takes 08. We know 06 is the next support. Everybody, all the traders that know exactly the entire structure, the one that has the biggest odds of working out, we all know 06 is a buy, right? We've had it here, support, since this morning. Price goes 2 ticks below 06, 5.5, everybody goes long, stop break-even immediately, and some traders are taking 1 point, +1, +2, +3. Are you kidding me? +3 is a miracle already on this type of on this type of action. All right. Sometimes we take 30 points. Sometimes we have to take 3. All righty then. I'm gonna say it again. 15, ladies and gentlemen, back in business. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get rid of 14. 14, we don't care anymore. 15, bears, right? Those who want to continue riding this baby all the way to the 03, the bottom, they do not want the price to take 15. It's 15 right here. You're not gonna believe what I'm gonna tell you. There is a lot of scumbags, trading education vendors, that they do international trading contests, and they win it every year. So they can say in their website, international trade winner the last 5 years, such and such, and says this and that. I kid you not. Do it. You'll see what I mean. All right. So they do their own trading contest, and they win. So that they can say, hey, I'm an international trading contest winner. So I'm gonna say it again. Sure. Okay, so we have confirmation that the bulls took over when the price was right here at 10. We knew it here at 10. We knew it. However, we've been looking forward for the price to go to 06 so that we can go long 06. So what do we have now? Well, we go long 06 because it's the low of the channel right here, 06. And now that we have confirmation that the bulls took over at 10, then we're pretty comfortable, right? We're going to let it ride. Now we believe that it is the high, the one that is going to be taken sometime this year, but we are long 06. Look at the risk-reward ratio, long 06. 2 ticks to 550, giving us plenty of time, space to go long 06. And we didn't know that the bulls were going to take over this way until the price gave us confirmation at 10. We didn't know. When we went long 06, it's because we have cojones, right? Well, we have cojones because our system says you've got to go long 06. It's the low of the channel, right? That's why we went long. And now it just so happened that at 10, we have confirmation. We have an odd enhancer. 10 is telling us, this thing is going to continue going up. 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? And remember, we got rid of 14 is gone. We don't care about 14 anymore. 15. It's not going to be an easy conquest. It ain't going to be 15 and the high 16, right? 15 and what's the high? 16. All right? 16 is the high of today's action. It has nothing to do with our system. It just happens to be the high. It's not that we don't care, but we don't care about what everybody else is looking at. Everybody knows 16 is the high. We care because we want to know what everybody else is doing. But 16 is nothing for us. What's important to us is having gone long 06 and having confirmation at 10 that we are on the right side of the angels. What is this? 14. Oh my God, CAPI, look. 14 is stopping it, man. Well, of course. Are you kidding me? The price has memory. What do you think, that they don't remember 14? Of course they do. But we know that it's getting weaker and weaker. It's still there, obviously, right? Look at it. 14 quarter, man. And look at the recoil. All right. Well, so as long as we are reading the market like this, minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, bar by bar, we know what we're doing, and we're gonna be there when the market finally says, you know what, let's give these kids a prize. We all know what that price is, do we not? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 13. All right, that's the level that the bears don't want to see broken. 13. Okay, all right. So short term, right? Remember, short term, short, right? Short term, short. Longer term, bullish. Okay, the short term doesn't want to see 13 taken. Okay, 13 is a key level. Prices go. Oh, look at this, right? Look at this. 13. Okay, price is gonna hang around there for a while. All right, so we're gonna bring 13. We're gonna bring it down 1 point to 12.